Hey everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, a dealership powered by Vogt RV, and this is our first video of the year, so I'm super excited to do that. Welcome back. Right behind me, I have the 2025 Tiffin GT1. So I can't wait to go through this with y'all. This coach is in the beautiful Arctic white full body paint. You will see up in the front that they do repaint their grills to be able to blend and add the full elegance that Tiffin has. You can't see it, but I can. But we have our diamond shield film, and that's going to help protect us from any rock chips and things of that sort. This coach is on the all-wheel drive 144 Mercedes 2500 chassis. So we do have that capability on here as well. This coach is phenomenal for everything that you may want to do. If it's just going to be your comfy traveler to get us to the Airbnb or hotel, if we have any sporting events, golfing trips, or if we just want to go to campsites and things of that sort, this is going to get you there. So let's waste no more time and let's actually get started. Come on. All right, on the GT1, they do the custom 16-inch Tiffin wheel, and we have our beautiful Michelin tires on here. I really love the fact that with the wheel, they do a black aesthetic to it, and with the white, it just pairs really well, like our Stormtroopers. So here on our driver's side, again, it just looks so elegant. Even their utility banks and your utility area is hidden, but still flows really nicely. Up here in the front, we're gonna have where we fill our diesel. This is gonna be a 24-gallon tank. Now down below under here will be for our gray and black dump. Beautiful magnet catch to be able to get that door right out of our way as we are doing our duties. Back here we have where our outdoor shower, city water fill, and our 30 amp service of a smart plug is going to attach into. There is a holder prop. There we go. There is a prop to be able to open this door and keep it open while we are using our shower or we have our cord plugged into shore power. Down below, you're going to find the exhaust. That is going to be for our Aqua-Hot system. It is a Hydronic heating system. And then it just looks beautiful. I really love this white. I can't get over it. So all around this coach, they do have a fiberglass, what I'm going to call is a skirt, to be able to, you know, just make it and fully, I'm going to use the word elegance so many times because that's what Tiffin really upholds, is the elegance of all of their coaches, whether it's a Class A, C, or B. We do have our hitch. There are some knobs underneath that you're going to untwist, and that will come off to be able to access that point. In the back of this, we have some storage, so we're not missing out on that. But you have some storage here in the back, and then you're also going to have your disconnect for your batteries and your inverter. We have 540 amp hours of lithium batteries in here from Battleborn, and then we have a 3,000 watt Xantrex inverter. So all of those controls will be here, along with any breaker issues. This can be your legend right on the side, and the numbers to correlate with that. But I do love the fact that we still have space in here, so if we have luggage that we need to put in here, my little travel case will work. So love that as well. You also see seat belts, but we'll get inside and we'll talk about that here in a second. All right, here we are for the magic. We're right here on what I like to call our party side. We have a wonderful power door and an automatic step that will come out for you. I really love this step because it is big enough. I mean, I can stand on here with both of my feet and both of them are on it no matter which way I turn. Right above, we're gonna have our Girard awning. So of course, when we're out enjoying just the weather, or we're gonna have a little wine out on our party side, we're able to have that as well. We do have our sliding screen door, so this will just push across, and then when you're ready to get in or out, you're gonna pull that right back. Here down below, we have a storage compartment, or what can be also used as a table. So if you want to bring your induction cooktop out here and do some little cooking, whether we're cooking bacon, fish, something that we don't want in the coach, we can have it right out here. But this does lift up and becomes a little storage as well. So let's head on inside, come on. All right, welcome into my little humble abode. So we have our powered sofa. This is in the ultra leather. This is actually their carbon color. Love ultra leather. It's super buttery, very easy to clean, and so smooth and comfortable. This will scoot and meet with our jump seats and make into either two twins or you can do your jump seats powered as well, and that will make it out into one big queen. One of my other favorite things that they have in here is going to be our powered shades. So you'll have your spider control panel, and I'll show you that here in a second. And all of your controls are on there, from controlling your bed to your shades to your lighting, being able to see our tanks, where our batteries are at. Everything that you could possibly need is going to be right in that control. You have one right back here, so you don't really have to get out of bed whenever you are needing to use it. And then you have one right above our galley area. And again, I'll show you that here in a second. Tiffin does it really well. They have, again, a very elegant, beautiful concept of what they're trying to accomplish. Down below is going to be your electrical system and your fuse box, and they cover that with a door to match the aesthetic. So again, you're not having to see all of those electrical things or gizmos and gadgets of that sort. Up above, you're going to see our interior storage. This is going to be the high-pressured cabinetry for durability and long-lasting. You have a little clip right on the back, and you'll just push that and come right up. This is going to be one of your biggest right back here, so all of our clothes will go in there if we wanted to use one for a pantry. We do have our TV back here, so we don't have to miss any of our shows if we're out there, or if we just want to put on some music. I really like it. It just feels very homey. We have some 110 plugs back here. I have one back here that I'm staring at that has the GFCI. I have 3 USB and USB-C plugs, and then I have 2 other 110 outlets right down below. So if we have any CPAP machines or chargers, I don't know, whatever you need to plug in, you got a spot here. So this is really nice, and I just love it. I think it's very cozy. This is going to get me to where I need to go. I would love to, you know, just camp in here. I think it's so cute and very homey. All right, so this is the spider controller multiplex system that I was telling you about. Again, you have one up here, and then you have one back in your sofa area. Gonna mimic the same screen. So again, you'll be able to see all your tanks. You'll be able to run your vent fan, turn on your AC, your mechanisms for all of your power sofa back there. To do your shades, you can have a master switch of being able to put those down. And it's just really cool to be able to see everything right here and there. So you don't have to worry about, you know, where are my tanks at? Well, they're right here. You don't have to go to several different places. It's all going to be controlled right here. Right above, you have our awning controls. So in, out, have the lights. You can stop it wherever you need it to. So if you didn't want to extend it all the way, you don't have to, which is really nice because sometimes the sun's not all the way in our face. It has the one sensor on it. I almost said but okay. It has the one sensor on it, so as soon as it feels that good gust of wind, it's going to retract back in. But I'm going to be very cautious with you guys. If you feel the slightest of wind, go ahead and pull your awning back in, because weather can be so unpredictable and you never know what's going to come next. And we don't want you to have a damaged awning. We'll fix it, but we don't want you to have one. We want you to be able to enjoy your trip. Down below will be for your macerator, so turn that on and off. It's pretty explanatory right there. So that is for you. Hello there. And this would be your wet bath. Very spacious. Now, I can't say that I'm 6 foot in these heels. I did that in one video, and you know, I don't really know, but my fiance is pretty tall, so I'm kind of right up there with him. So I like to dream that I'm 6 foot when I wear heels, but I'm at a good height where my head is barely grazing this light. We do have an exhaust fan here, so when we are taking one of those steamy showers, ouch, we have that to be able to go out. But we're gonna have the real toilet because we have a black tank on board. But we have our sink in here, and we have some space to put, you know, like our toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that sort. Have a mirror in here for us ladies. It does have the magnifying one, which I like to tend to stay away from because I'm a picker. So we have our faucet here, and this will actually double as your shower head. So that will just attach right up to the top, be able to turn it on. Now this light here, you'll see is blue, and that is for your water miser in here. To go into some tank sizes, we have a 16-gallon freshwater tank. We have a 26-gallon gray tank and a 13-gallon black tank on board of your Tiffin GT1. So, yeah. So we have made it now up to the cab. Tiffin does reupholster their driver's seats, again with the ultra leather to blend with the coach. And look, you guessed it, elegant. I love the fact that they put in their Tiffin logo here. Also in the cup holders in the back. It's just like all those small touches that really, you wouldn't think matter, but they kind of really nice and they matter a little bit. We are on the Mercedes-Benz, the 2-liter 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine. You have all of your safety features in here: active lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, 360 cameras on this guy, and all of that can be controlled in several different places here. So here on our steering wheel, on our left side, that is going to control everything that is right in front of you. So you can see anything from your mileage, your speedometer, go into your service settings, whether it's looking at your DPF filter, your DEF filter, any service things that pop up, all of that sort. Here on the right side, we'll control everything from your screen in your radio, but this is also touchscreen as well, so you can just do a nice little slide. And you can go into your settings here and be able to control the sensitivity of all of those things. I know in my car, on my lane keeping assist, sometimes my steering wheel gets taken over. I have turned that off, and I just don't like it. But I like it when it blinks at me, so then I know. But I'm not saying that I'm a bad driver. That doesn't even matter. Down below, you'll have our, I say a lot. Anyways, down below, you'll have the, what are these called? Oh my gosh, why am I brain farting? What are you called?
Monday is Wednesday.
Oh my gosh, it's such a Monday, Wednesday. Anyways, down below you'll have all the controls for the air, fans, how high, low temperature you want it. These turn, so they'll turn on or off if you want the air to be on you or not. You also have technically 2 ways inside of the coach to open your sliding door, and then the one pull on the outside. So you have a button down here to be able to close that off, and then right by the passenger headrest, right above, will be another button that you can push to be able to close your sliding door. So this is the Mercedes cab. I like it. It's very spacious. It's a very open cockpit. A lot of cup holders, because for me, I don't know about you guys, but a lot of cup holders, because I'm going to have my coffee, my energy drink, my water, all up here. None for anybody else. They're all mine. If you have made it this far, I truly appreciate it, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video here today. Again, this is the 2025 Tiffin GT1, and I hope you like it. Leave a comment down below of what your favorite feature was, what was good. Ask any questions. I'm happy to answer anything. Also, like and subscribe so you can stay tuned to some more videos down the way. So come into the dealership and take a look for yourself. And we would love to show you around and be able, maybe even take it for a spin. We'll see you down the line.